Hi everybody, jasetutorials here, back with another video. So for this video we are going to update my iPhone SE to iOS 13.1 beta. So first thing we need is we definitely have to be signed up for the Apple beta software program. I'm going to put a link in the description below if you guys need to sign up, or you can just look it up online. It's actually pretty easy. You're going to need your Apple ID, of course. And then the next step is we just got to plug in our iPhone to our Mac. So I got my charging cable here. Bam. And then just gotta put the other end to my iPhone SE. Nice. Alright, now let's get to it. So next is we gotta back up our phone using iTunes. You definitely want to have a backup, especially if you're gonna update your daily driver for the beta. On the upper left corner there's a phone icon. So we're going to select our phone here. In this example, I'm just going to back up my iPhone 8 as an example, but it's the same process. I already backed up my iPhone SE earlier. It's actually doing the install for the beta right now. So I'm just going to do backup now. I'm just backing it up to my computer. You could also back it up to your iCloud if you'd like. You can also put a password to encrypt it. You need to make it more secure. In this example, I'm doing an encryption. But when I backed it up from my iPhone SE earlier, since there's nothing on it, I do not have a password on it, but it's always highly recommended to have a password. So now I went into preferences, and then we have our backup right there on top. And then if you archive it, a timestamp is going to appear. So if you also notice the padlock, that is because we put a password on it. The iPhone SE, the third one, it does not have a padlock because it does not have a password. So archived, awesome. So now once you've archived it, let's move on to the next step. You want to open up Safari on your iPhone. So you want to go to beta.apple.com/profile. I'll put a link in the description below. And then you want to open that so that we can download our profile. Now once we download our profile, all we have to do is tap on it. And then it will show us this, iOS 13 and iPad iOS 13 beta. I'm just kind of looking around a little bit. Okay, let's go back. And then once you're ready, you just got to install the profile. So the install button is on the upper right corner in blue font. It says install. Really hard to miss. It is right below the battery indicator. So once you do an install, you got to restart, apply changes. And then, once it's good to go, update completed. So after that, you just got to set up your Apple Pay and, your Apple Card, that type of stuff. I highly recommend getting the Apple Card, by the way. Pretty cool. Once card added, you got to set up your Apple Cash. And then after that, one thing I'm really excited about is the dark appearance is back. Dark mode is back. So that is really cool, guys. Very exciting stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Welcome to the iPhone. Thank you for watching. Take it easy.